Hello students, today I'm going to discuss the topic digital marketing at length. The contents of my presentation today are, I'll introduce digital marketing. I'll be talking about 4 E's. I will also be talking about the tools of digital marketing, and then I'll conclude my presentation. So firstly, beginning with the concept of digital marketing, we come across number of terms like online marketing, internet marketing, e-marketing, web marketing. So all these words, they can be termed in inclusive with digital marketing. So therefore, digital marketing is a broader term that encapsulates all marketing channels and methods that you can use to promote your products or services on internet. So you can explore plethora of tools which are offered by the world of internet, which includes social media. Not only this, you can also investigate the mindset of individuals. And with this, the new branch neuromarketing has been introduced, which helps us to identify the consumer behavior and then strategizing the digital marketing plans. Also, what you can do is you can identify a number of platforms through which you can communicate about your brand. So the concept of brand communication, creating consumer relationships, retaining consumers have been changed because of digital marketing. If I talk about digital marketing, it also helps you to understand the online consumer experience. Consumer experience is very important when it comes to internet marketing. And with the help of digital marketing, you can also identify number of tools through which you can generate traffic on your website or various digital platforms. So to sum up, digital marketing can be a combination of push and pull internet marketing technology or marketing strategies to execute your campaigns. So when we understand 4 E's of marketing, 4 E's of marketing includes how to engage the customer. So engagement becomes very important. Second, experience. The digital platform should have a very good, healthy, and user-friendly experience. Thirdly, your content should not be plagiarized or should not be copied or should not be a replica of any other content. So you should have an exclusive content which is talking about newness in your brand conception. Finally, you have to cater to the emotions of all the consumers. You have to understand the consumer behavior. You have to understand what consumer wants from you. Therefore, on the basis of 4 E's of marketing, we have various tools of digital marketing which can be used, like number one, SEO. If I talk about SEO is a process wherein we get traffic through organic results. We can do on-page SEO or off-page SEO. On-page SEO means we identify a list of keywords and build our content around them so that whenever a consumer types those keywords, they can get your website on that particular search result. Off-page SEO means there are a number of blogging websites, number of ranking websites, listing websites. You can create content over there and you can use similar keywords there also so that your website's ranking is improved. Second concept is social media optimization, social media marketing, which is being extensively used by marketers. It is not only used to engage the customer or to create the content, but marketers are extensively using Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, video marketing, YouTube marketing. So you need to create number of social media channels. You need to interact through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. This kind of digital media is called owned media. These are your own platforms, your website, your social media platforms. The second kind of media is called a paid media, wherein you can give number of display ads or banner ads on Google or number of websites. If you're giving on Google, then you're doing Google AdWords or Google advertising. And these are called PPC ads. PPC ads means as soon as a consumer clicks on your ad, you have to give some amount for that particular click. So you have to pay for every click which comes onto your ad. Then if I talk about the next concept, which is called affiliate marketing, when you're giving ads on multiple platforms, this kind of concept, you're giving ads on news portals, education portals, on blogging sites, this concept is called affiliate marketing. You are promoting your content on a different website. So merchant is different, publisher is different, and therefore there is a commission based mode. Next comes email marketing, which is a very common form of marketing. You can send emails to your consumer, you can track leads, you can send them newsletters, emailers, customized emails, personalized messages. So this helps you to retain your customer. You can maintain a healthy relationship by using the benefits of email. Then comes mobile marketing, which cannot be ignored because everybody is now using a smartphone. The penetration of smartphone is really high. So every brand has a digital application and is trying to engage with the customer through mobile phone. So again, I have to take care of 4 E's. I will talk about experience, I'll talk about engagement, I will talk about exclusivity, and also I'll talk about I'm taking care of the emotions of my customer. Then comes viral marketing, how I populate my content on different platforms. I share it on Facebook, it is shared with number of users. Those users share on their own pages, then it gets shared with millions of users. So by identifying the right platform, I can do viral marketing. But how? Creating an exclusive content, a content which has a USP, which attracts the attention, which grabs the attention. Finally, we come on to the influencer marketing, wherein we identify celebrities for our brand so that we can create brand awareness, brand recognition, and people are attracted to buy my product. For example, Vivo wants to attract more and more people from the age group of 18 to 35. So what they are doing, they are tying up with celebrities like Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh, Siddharth Malhotra. Why? Because they have a lot of brand pull. They themselves have a huge brand pull, and they have the capacity to influence people, influence masses. This concept of marketing is called influencer marketing. So, in digital marketing, you are using 3 forms of media: paid media, display ads, PPCs, retargeting; own media, your own website, your own blog, your own social media profiles, through your emails. And then you have an earned media where you get number of shares, number of mentions, number of hashtags for your brand, media coverage, you generate content on online PR, you get reviews on number of blogging sites and search engines. So by optimizing all this, you get a good digital marketing mix. So after this, I would want to look at the video of Airbnb, which will help you to understand what is the concept of digital marketing. For any other further information, you can get back to us on the same platform. Thank you.